sensor on this is amazing because it will detect activity. So if you're exercising, jogging, running, if you start going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down because of jogging motion, or even going up and down too many flights of stairs, it detects that and it changes its program to go into an energized mode to create extra energy that it can pass to you to help speed up your body's internal clock to match the level of what you're putting out. When the extra effort ends, it slowly returns back into its normal operating mode and then begins to support you during that. The critical factor is that it is creating ultradian rhythms 24 hours a day in support of your body's natural cycles so that we can do that. The other thing that's really critical about Pendulum is because you're wearing it directly against you, the biopulses are emitted in two directions, those extending out away from you to interrupt and disrupt electromagnetic fields that are coming towards you, and then it's also emitting its fields back into your body to help resynchronize your internal clocks to stay on time so that the external cueing signals that are out there coming from all this electromagnetic pollution don't interfere with your body's sensitive clock. The field coming from Pendulum Plus extends out about 18 inches in front and in back and above and below, so it's covering all of the visceral portion and intellectual portion of the body by wearing it around one's neck. Now, if you don't want to wear it around your neck, you can carry it in a breast pocket, you can carry it in a pants pocket, but it's important to keep it in an upright position because Pendulum is designed that if it's laying flat, even if it's laying flat on that side, if it's laying flat like this, it will detect that lack of motion, and it will then switch to its nighttime mode and start producing sleep cycles to help your body rest. So if you lay down to watch a show and you're reclining way back like this, you can get it flat enough that it can go into the sleep mode. So you want to just make sure that you keep it upright when you're upright and keep it flat when you're flat. So at night, I can take it off, set it underneath my pillow. It automatically switches to nighttime sleep mode, generates sleep cycles. In the morning, get up, take it off from under the pillow, put it back around my neck, and within 30 seconds, it's producing daytime. And it starts out at very low daytime frequencies so that it can match my body's own rhythms and then help me get back up into a natural routine so that I can get started in my day as it should. Now, it automatically does that, so it switches from daytime to nighttime to energy modes. But there are actually two different daytime modes. There's a high energy daytime, and there is a more relaxing daytime mode that's called euphoria. And the same thing is true with nighttime. There's the standard deep sleep, and there's a deeper sleep mode. And people ask me, so how do I change those? Well, it's really simple. When it's running the daytime mode, and you can see that, just flash the white and green, indicating that it's daytime and charging. If I push the setup button, I get the white, green, and the blue color there for the battery level. If I simply push and release the select button at the top one time, it will change from white to yellow. And yellow tells me it's running euphoria. Think yellow, euphoria. They sound alike. And now it's running euphoria mode, and now it will always run euphoria during the daytime. Even when it goes to nighttime and back to daytime tomorrow, it will continue to run the euphoria mode. To go back to daytime, regular mode, just push the select once and release it, and it'll flash white again. Now, to get it to flash nighttime, you've got to lay it flat, and after about 30 seconds, it will switch to nighttime mode, and then you can select. And nighttime is amber or orange color, and the deepest nighttime is a red flash. But let's say you want to do some meditation. What you do is to put this into meditate mode, you push select, but rather than just releasing it, you push it until the light flashes blue, like that. So now it's in meditate mode. It's going to run a 90-minute meditation program. At the end of the 90-minute meditation program, it's automatically going to go back into daytime mode. Very simple. If I push and hold it again until it flashes, it will flash a long green flash. You'll see several green flashes. The green flashes indicate it's now in body blaster mode. And so if I'm not feeling well, I can put it in body blaster. It'll run a 90-minute body blaster program and then go back into its normal daytime routine. So that way I can have these 90-minute blocks of special programming for meditation, for wellness purposes, or just for, and if I don't want to stay in wellness mode for 90 minutes, all I got to do is press and hold the select button again, and it'll go back to white. And there it is. Now, those are the features, but honestly, like I said, charge it once a week, wear it every day, put it under your pillow at night, and it's done. It's self-learning, it adjusts, it does everything you want it to do. And it'll do flicker fusion frequency testing so that you can measure your wellness number and report it and emit it. It's done just like all the other instruments. You press and release the start button, and you have to hold it for about 3 seconds is all, and then it will do the 6 flashes of the red LED and begin your flicker fusion number testing, just like the other instruments do that you can see in the other videos. It has an electromagnetic radiation detector. If you take Pendulum Plus off and lay it down and forget about it, after 9 hours of lying there like that, it will automatically go into a standby mode and shut down to conserve its battery. So if you forget about it and a day or two goes by, don't worry, it hasn't used the battery. It's just in standby mode, and as soon as you pick it up, it'll automatically start back up. Now, I've got it connected to the charger. What I wanted to show you is that when you disconnect the charger, it's going to automatically reset it. You saw a brief white flash and then these other colors, and now it's going through a manual reset. All of our rechargeable products, when they're disconnected from their charger, do a forced manual reset as a safety measure to make sure that it's operating properly. So if anything was ever out of whack, you just plug in the charger, wait a few minutes, unplug the charger, and it's back to its normal settings. Now, it didn't change any of the presets that it was. It didn't change the default alternatives for daytime or nighttime, but it does reset the device and it starts back in daytime mode. So it's an easy way to reset it rather than having another button or something funky on there to do that with. So that's how you reset this. So Pendulum Plus, simply out of the box, put it on and wear it. Press the setup button to start it if it's been put to, if it's in standby. Plug in the charger to keep it charged. Once a week for about 4 hours is all you got to do, and you're good to go. This is one of the most amazing products for 24/7 coverage, energizing, keeping your circadian clock, disrupting external signals, and really providing overall balancing for your body and just keeping you running on time. Amazing product. Love this one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching our video segment. If you have any questions about using your product, just send us an email, info@newtesla, info@nutesla.com, and we'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible and answer. Also check our site, newtesla, nutesla.com. Have a great day.